They fly into the eye of the storm to keep all of us safe. Well, they're called hurricane hunters, and they're a critical part of hurricane forecasting. Next, weather meteorologist Scotty Withers is your reporter with a closer look at all they contribute.
It's a dangerous mission with one goal in mind: to save lives. The U.S. Air Force's 53rd Weather Reconnaissance Squadron operates 10 of these Super Hercules aircraft. But it's no ordinary plane.
This is it right here, an $80 million flying laboratory. It's a hurricane hunter. It's one of about a dozen that the U.S. Air Force and the National Weather Service has. They send this up and into those eye walls of Cat 3, Cat 4, Cat 5 hurricanes, and the data they send back helps keep you safe.
These aircraft can really fly directly into a tropical storm or hurricane and provide us direct measurements of how strong the storm is, how big it is, tell us where it's located.
The temperature, the humidity, the wind speed, the pressure, which is very important when we're in the center of the hurricane, because that is one of the very vital information that the Hurricane Center is looking for.
That data comes back to us in real time for our forecasters to look at the Hurricane Center. It also goes into the forecast models that we use to tell you where the storm's going to go, how big it's going to be, how strong it's going to be.
The flight crew experiences that strength firsthand as they pierce the eye wall.
They've been flying this plane since the 1990s. That's thousands of flights through some of the most intense storms we've ever seen.
The eye wall is really intense, lots of wind and rain and turbulence and lightning and hail and stuff, and it's interesting. You hit the eye wall and the airplane's getting beat up.
This is one of 2 weather stations on the Hurricane Hunter. The person that sits here is responsible for this. It's called a dropson. It's about the size of a paper towel roll. Goes into this tube and gets pushed down into the clouds. As it falls, that parachute opens up and slows its descent. While it's dropping down to Earth, it's collecting really important data about the wind speeds, and that's sent back to the National Hurricane Center that goes into the forecast.
It's really important to have those direct measurements when a storm's changing very quickly.
The fleet of hurricane hunters and the flight teams are ready to be deployed as this season kicks off. Scott Withers, CBS News, Miami.